That was the term one's booklet. And then you have had most recently or more recently, you've done this with me. Then you've also had, so this is the notes that you should make sure you have all of these notes. This one was a class activity. Some of these were class activities. I'm just going to check. Theorem, this one, Blaine, is definitely going to be in the end of the year exam. Either this one or that one. Make sure you go through those steps. I've taken the liberty of pasting it into your books there. Myself, personally, I did that earlier this year. So those are important stuff that I wish I've done some spot checks that I wish that you should have in your book. Then we have had paper 1. We've also had here another one of paper 2. No, that was, I think, June preparation. Then I've given you some various tutorials like this. This is especially good for calculus. Calculus is how many marks again? 35 marks. So it's definitely a question that we cannot, or a topic that we cannot leave out. Then this was for the grade 11s. And then, yeah, I think here the grade 11 work starts from there. So you have ample of notes and preparations and stuff like that we have done throughout the year. Before you start studying, make sure you have everything together, because what sometimes happen is that you wish to start studying. Now you say you're going to study for an hour, and then what you do, then you say, I need those notes, and then you spend an hour actually searching for the notes instead of studying. So I would like to encourage you, Sipe, today and tomorrow, don't start studying yet, but please just make sure you have all of the notes for mathematics. You put it together. There's your mathematics, paper 1 and paper 2. Then you start working through that. So I hope and I trust that everyone is going to do well. I am positive. And then the last thing I think that I can give to you today is the paper 2, which I haven't given to you already. So stay calm. There's definitely be, if I should do a general reflection on the examinations, there's been a climb. It was a small climb, but definitely improvement from June. So that is a positive aspect for me. There's still small stuff that we can work on, but I'm not going to show you today the mistakes that you have made. You're going to have to wait for your reports so that you can see what your mark looks like. Okay? So you'll have to wait how your mark looks like. I'm just going to give you papers now. This is also some nice things to have with you. Please hand out to everyone.